Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar dropped 0.6% against the yen in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 9.7% in the last session. The RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 3.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices edged lower on growing worries about fuel demand as COVID-19 outbreaks worsened in top crude importer China and jitters about the outcome of US midterm elections. The dollar slid as rising German bond yields strengthened the euro, but a strong reading of the consumer price index later this week could reverse the currency's slide. The Justice Department announced a historic seizure of 50,000 stolen Bitcoin that is currently worth roughly $1 billion. An investigator called the heist a sophisticated scheme designed to hide the ill-gotten cryptocurrency.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US NBA mortgage applications will be released at 1100 hours GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 1530 GMT. Germany's 10Y bond auction at 1030 GMT. The Portuguese unemployment rate will be released at 1100 hours GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers survey current at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers survey outlook at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.